Good morning everyone, or good evening wherever you are. Today I will make chocolate cream pie, and I'm blending here 3/4 cup of sugar, 3 tablespoons of flour, and 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. And I have to add cocoa. This one here, cocoa powder for 2 tablespoons. Blend this together. This closer. I have hot milk in here. Add hot milk to make a smooth paste. Okay. About 5 tablespoons of hot milk. And I have to add this one into a hot milk here. Stir this mixture until it thickens. It's thickening now, and then I will add this egg yolks. 2 egg yolks. And a teaspoon of vanilla. Stir it. My chocolate cream pie is ready. And please don't forget to subscribe and share. Thank you very much for watching my video. Please don't forget to subscribe and share. Bye-bye.